Hi my friend, welcome to my tempo video. I want to show you how to really understand tempo, really to the best of the ability that you're going to understand it right now, okay? So let's give a couple examples. We're going to do some pushing examples, and we're going to do some pulling examples, and we're going to do some lower body examples of tempo. Now, I'm only filming myself today, so I just have my tripod, so please bear with me. I'm gonna do my very best to show you this, but I promise you that you're gonna get the gist and the understanding of this. You may not be able to see my entire body the whole time, but you absolutely will understand tempo by the time we're done with this video. So, the first one is we're gonna do just a traditional bicep curl. So let's just say the tempo is 4, 1, 1, 1. So that is 4, 1, 1, 1. So the first number is 4, the next number is 1, the next number is 1, the next number is 1. So it would look like this. The tempo always starts at the eccentric phase. The eccentric phase is the lengthening of the muscle or the lowering phase of the muscle, okay? So it's literally the muscle relaxing down to wherever it was. So we'll start here. So basically in a curl, the eccentric phase is this movement here, all the way down to the bottom. So like I said, this is a 4, 1, 1, 1. So that means it is 4 seconds down, 1 second pause here, 1 second up, no rest at the top. 4 seconds down here, 1 second pause, 1 second up, no rest at the top, and come back down. So that's how you do that, and you would repeat that for however many reps or time under tension I have set for you, okay? Another example would be, say, a press. So that was a pull, here's a press. So if I was to do a military press, this would be your form. So it would start here, because this is a military press right here. This is the form for the military press. So if you were to start at the top, this would be proper, because coming down is the eccentric, remember? So let's do another 4. Let's do a 4, 2, 1, 1. So that would be 4 seconds down, 2 second pause here, 1 second up, no pause at the top. 4 seconds down, 2 second pause here, 1 second up, no rest at the top. And then it would continue like that for the repetitions or the time under tension that was given you. Another example would be, say, a pull from a horizontal position, okay? So if you're doing a pull from a horizontal position, okay, you have your body in proper alignment, so your spine is nice and straight. All you're gonna do here is the eccentric is gonna start here, okay, because your goal is to pull this up. So the eccentric would start here. So let's do a 4, 4, 1, 1, 1 again. So 4 seconds down, 1 second pause at the bottom, 1 second up, no rest at the top. But what if that was, let's say, a 4, 1, 1, 4? That would mean 4 seconds down, 1 second pause, 1 second up, 4 second hold at the top, because the final number in the set of numbers in tempo is always going to be the hold, okay? Or it's going to be the one that's the farthest away from the eccentric portion. So if the eccentric portion is here, which is the 4, we pause here, 1 second up, the last number left is what? It's 4. So you're going to pause again 4 seconds. Okay? And then that would be that tempo. So a 4, 1, 1, 4 looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 second pause, 1 second up, 4 second pause at the top. Okay? Now, another example would be your lower body. So let's just say that we were squatting, okay? So if we're squatting, what that would look like is, let's just say we have a 4, 2, 1, 1. It's a good tempo for the squat as well. And you may have all kinds of different tempos. Just understand what tempo means and how those numbers line up. So the first number, of course, is the downward phase, or the relaxing of the muscle, or as you're going against gravity, however you want to say it. So it'll be 4 seconds down. This is a 4, 2, 1, 1. Okay? So 4 seconds down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I pause here for what? That's 2 seconds, right? 4, 2. 2 is the second number in the list of numbers. So this is a 2-second pause here. 1 second up. Squeeze your butt for 1, but no rest at the top because it's 4, 2, 1, 1. So here we go in action. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1. 1 second pause at the top, back down. Okay, that is a 4, 2, 1, 1 tempo. Okay, so hopefully this is starting to make more sense to you. If it does not make sense, please let me know. This is very, very important that you understand tempo because it's going to allow you to basically execute the movement exactly as if I was right there with you, if you were in a one-on-one personal training session with me, where you're learning strength and conditioning and you're doing things literally as I tell you to do them. That's what tempo is for, okay? Tempo allows you to do it in that exact same state. So you get the best coach in the world, the best movement in the world, and guess what? You get to do it exactly the way that I planned it to be. So if you have any questions after this, you let me know. Hopefully this video was informative. That's why I took the time to do this. But if it needs further understanding, if you need me to explain it for a specific movement, don't you feel afraid. Don't feel in fear of any kind. You reach out to me. That is what I am here for. That is what the messenger system is for. Okay? Coach Jay, your body transformation specialist. I look forward to speaking soon. Now you know how to do tempo, baby. Boom.